Hey guys, I wanted to take a second and put this out there for you. I found this. I know there seems to be some confusion about our PR intervals versus our P wave, our T wave, our PR segment, ST segment, so on and so forth. So I found this on the web and I just wanted to stick this out there for y'all, so hopefully it would help you understand which parts of the strip were what. So when you look at this, we see here in green, and we have everything labeled here at the top, so just so y'all are aware, everything is labeled up here. But when we look at this, we see our P wave is in green, so this is our P wave. And following the P wave, we have the PR segment. This is the PR segment. The segment is at the end of the P wave, and it starts at the QRS. So this is the PR segment, and the PR interval is from the beginning of the P wave to the end of the PR segment right here. So don't confuse the PR interval versus the PR segment. Moving forward, we can see that our QRS complex, this entire piece of the puzzle right here, from here around, is our QRS complex. When we break it down, this piece of it is the Q wave, and you can see here it's labeled in orange, and then the red is the R wave. So all of this is the R, starting here and moving upward and then back down. This is the R, and then the purple is the S wave. So this entire complex is the QRS complex, but it's broken down further to the Q, the R, and then the S. Moving forward, when we talk about our ST segment, this is our ST segment. It ends at the S and starts with the T wave. So this is the ST segment. And this in blue is our T wave. And then when we discuss our QT interval, we start with the Q wave and then we end with the T wave. So the QT interval starts with the Q and it ends with the T. So we can kind of map our way through when we're talking about the intervals and the segments, and look at whether we're dealing with the P or the T wave, so on and so forth. But if you have any questions, please let me know. I just wanted to put this out there for y'all because I think it would really help when you're trying to figure out the width of your PR interval or the length of your PR segment or ST segment. You'll know exactly where you need to start. And remember, when we're determining these intervals, we have to look at our little blocks, and our little blocks equals 0.04 seconds. And so we're counting time on the strip when we're counting from left to right. But if you're asked a question about the length of the PR interval or the length or the width of the QRS complex, then you know exactly where you need to start counting these little blocks. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope this helps. Thanks, and have a great day.